What's up everyone, WizardKen here, and today we're going to be playing World of Tanks with Crazy Roy. I know we haven't seen Crazy Roy in a little bit since the farming incident, but he was in the hospital, so dealing with his dying off thing, you know. he died. So, yeah. Anyways, real quick before we jump into playing some time with Crazy Roy, I would like to state real quick, you guys have been questioning, you know, how do I join the subscriber party, or what did I mean about the subscriber party stuff. Really quickly, I'm going to go over this. One, if you're trying to find out what time frames, you know, or time zone that I live in, just look up Mountain Time USA, okay? It'll give you the exact time of what it is, or I would say general Mountain Time, but when I've done that in the past, sometimes it comes up with other stuff. So just from what I've seen is if you just put in Mountain Time USA, it should come up. Anyways, and so that way you can, you know, figure out what time it is right now where I live and where you live, and you can subtract or add the amount of hours difference it is to be able to play with me. Now, the next part where you guys wanted to know, how do you sign up? Okay, there's no signing up. Pretty much what I put on that first video where it stated what tiers I'm going to be playing at what times. If you want to play, like I said, in the tier 6, just message me on Xbox Live 30 minutes before that time frame. Okay, and the same thing goes with all the other times. If you want to play in different tiers, just 30 minutes before that time, you know, that's it. And then I'll go through the messages and select the people right before that time starts. So that's how we're gonna do it. Don't send me like party invites and stuff like that. Just send me a message saying what tier you wanted to play in and stuff like that 30 minutes before that time. Now the reason why we're doing it like this is it'll be quicker for me. Like I stated, some people didn't sign up, or when they did sign up, they didn't show up for the thing because of family problems or something like that. You know, some issue comes up, and we understand that. But this way, I have other people that can fill in if you guys don't show up. So that's cool with me. So you don't have to email me. You don't have to send me messages on Xbox right now. Just wait until that day, and then 30 minutes before the tier, and there you go. That's it, guys. That's all you have to do. Hopefully, I explained it good enough. If not, I can't fucking help you anymore. I don't know what else to do. Oh, yeah, real quick, the last announcement. I will be starting on the IS4 line tomorrow. Today is really packed. I'm even surprised I'm getting this video in because I have a wedding to go to. So, yeah. Anyways. Okay, now there's a glitch. I hear money still coming in.
Oh. Well, I've got random battle showing up here.
I got random battle, but I'm hearing money. Oh my god, that money sound is getting annoying. And I'm still loading in. I'm still loading.
Do you what saying camos I've got on the artillery?
Still loading. The money is still coming through, even in the battle.
In it. I don't know what to say.
It's like I have a slot machine inside my tank.
Piggy bank.
Yeah, I got a piggy bank. Yeah, I need to change my urban fucking camo because it isn't exactly.
Yeah, they give you the same as what they give me on my artillery. Ooh.
That stupid money is annoying as fuck. Oh my god, it is fucking annoying. Oh, right behind us. We got back up. Turn around. We got a tank destroyer behind us. Tracked him. You can get a shot on him.
Lit on him.
Oh, he's gone.
He's gone for, I bet he's gone for the artillery. Where's he gone now? I've lost him, little shit. Oh, he's coming back round. Hang on, I'm coming back.
Shit, I'm getting shot from the side.
I'm coming back. You want that little crap? He's a bastard. Oh my god, I'm fucked.
I'm fighting 2 tanks too, right? So, god damn it! Yep, I'm fucked.
Yep. I've got 3 fuckers. But did have 3 of them, they're both gone.
Jesus. Jesus. Run, Kenny. Run. I have nowhere to go.
I need help.
Yeah, I hear you, Rory.
Really? You fucking pongo shit.
Shit. God damn it. I'm gonna die. Alright. The slot machine is gonna kill me.
Nice one. Oh, if you're on, who's on our base if you're on our base?
Fucking E100.
Oh.
And I tried shooting at him. He tracked me. Fuck me. In my life. I'm not gonna get it in time. Nope.
No. That was terrible.
Mm.
Tried swinging back round, but then that E100 side, I thought it was a 50. But that said a 50, not an 100. So how come it swapped from 50 to 100? This is screwed up.
Our team sucks balls.
Yesterday, our team, I don't know if you had good battles, but it was on fire.
I still
Fire
got
will.
money fucking flowing right now. Money, money, money. Keep ringing in my fucking ears. Oops.
Well, it's a good sign, isn't it?
Yeah, if the glitch was good enough that I was getting fucking money from this. Don't laugh at me, Roy. This is not funny. This is fucking annoying as a motherfucker.
I don't have that problem.
I don't have that problem. Yeah, you wait till you get that problem. So, apparently, you have to wait until, if you know a battle's gonna end soon, you have to wait until that battle is done, and then you can click, you know, after you get your money through and stuff, then you can click on, you know, go to the next battle. But, if you're fucked like me, and clicked it too quick, yeah.
Yeah. Then you get money coming. Oh, this is fucking.
Who the fuck is on the goddamn flag? I'm gonna have to drive up this way, see if I can spot it. Apparently.
It's an E100. Whoever it is an E100 protecting him.
Yep.
I don't know. There's an FB there, so why ain't that FB lighting him up?
I missed the fucking tortoise.
Let's hit that E100. You need to move up. Don't move up, I can't shoot the fucker.
I'm moving up right now, Rory. I'll have a
No,
visual in a
fucking-
couple seconds. So wherever this
What
little
about that?
shithead is. And it's probably a
IS7's
goddamn
not
light
that.
tank.
Not even IS7's lighting him up.
Yeah.
Somebody's just lit him up.
You're tickling me, T-71. Oh, you tracked me. You son of a bitch. There you go.
I'm concentrating on this E100.
Alrighty. Who's next to me? Oh, Yagi. Mr. Jagger is next to me.
What the fuck are you doing there?
What are you doing? What are you talking about, Roy?
Bullet landed there. The bullet didn't even touch the tank, it landed
Oh,
4 foot away from him.
Our team is sucking again. Look at this. Our team is sucking.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna get on the flag, make them come to me. See what happens.
No, it fucks off. Great. Oh, I hit the other one instead. I hit the Ktoś, not the E100.
Oh,
Nice.
that was a terrible shot. I shouldn't have taken that.
Who's else is shooting you?
I don't know, but it's raining money. That's right, I'm gonna hit you all with a fucking bucket of money.
There's
Seriously.
a song about that.
Is there?
Yeah.
A money about a song about hitting or throwing money or what?
Is it Rainy Money or Rainy Nights? Not sure.
You mean Raining Men?
Oh,
It's
Raining Men.
Raining Men. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. That's your favorite song, isn't it, Rory?
No. No. I will hit you again, E100. I'm telling you. I will hit you again.
That's right, people. I'm gonna fucking win this.
You fucking bitch.
I'm gonna fucking win this. Fuck you all.
Come on, baby. Load up faster than this. Oh shit, I'm detected. There goes your support.
Yep.
Sorry.
It's okay. We're probably gonna lose it anyways because these guys keep jumping on and off the fucking thing. So. Yeah, I know. I did an amazing shot. You don't have to tell me. I know I did amazing.
Look,
Oh,
watch,
fuck
watch.
me. This dumb shit.
Well, he set it right back.
Ah, fuck, I hit the goddamn dead tank. Thank you. Thank you. And I'm getting hit by a conqueror. Awesome.
You nearly got it then, if you want for him ramming you.
Yep. Gotta move, gotta move, gotta move. Oops. Oh, fuck me. Now I'm really getting my ass handed to me.
Oh.
Fuck you, Waffle! Go suck a big one. Jesus Christ. No! I see the arty coming in. Fuck.
Man, that fuck, I don't know if it's where I was sat, but I was off.
I don't know, but Rory, guess what? The
Wish
Plinko
up
machine,
balls.
the freaking jackpot machine is still going.
Oh.
Yeah, you can still hear it. Fucking team.
Still made money though.
Yep.
Flanker.